a royal blend of herbs, nuts, and spice. This is Nawabi Chutney, bold, creamy, and fit for regal kitchens. Start by cutting and squeezing 3½ lemons to extract about 200 milliliters of fresh juice. Pour the milk powder into the lemon juice and stir well. Let it rest for about an hour. This will allow the milk solids to curdle gently and thicken slightly. Once ready, transfer the mixture to a blender. Add some water, then add cashews and almonds. These luxurious nuts are what give this chutney its Nawabi name, rich, creamy, and fit for royalty. Then add sliced fresh ginger. It brings a warm, zesty brightness that balances the acidity and heat. Next, add sliced garlic cloves, which add a bold, savory depth to enrich the overall flavor. Remove the stems, slice, and add the green chilies, which provide a mild to medium heat and fresh flavor. Then add the bird's eye chilies, which give the chutney a sharp, intense heat that wakes up the taste buds. Finally, add the small bird's eye chilies for a concentrated heat with subtle earthy and fruity notes. Next, add fresh basil leaves. They bring a sweet, slightly peppery aroma that lifts the entire chutney and gives it a soft, elegant edge. Then add the mint leaves for their refreshing, cooling flavor. They balance out the heat from the chilies and give the chutney that clean, zesty brightness. Finally, add the coriander leaves, the backbone herb that grounds the chutney with its earthy, slightly citrusy taste. Add salt to taste and pour in more water, then blend everything into a smooth, creamy, and vibrant green paste. That's it. Your Nawabi chutney is ready. It's nutty, herbaceous, zesty, and spicy all at once. A perfect royal condiment to serve with grilled meats, rice dishes, or flatbreads.